Nestled in a colorful and zany universe was the bustling town of Toonville, where animated characters from every genre lived side by side. From slapstick comedians to action heroes, Toonville was a vibrant place where anything, and everything, could happen. But deep beneath the cheerful surface lay a problem. The imagination engine, the machine that powered the creativity of Toonville, had begun to malfunction. Without it, Toonville would lose its energy and fade into obscurity. A group of unlikely heroes took on the task of saving their home. Zippy, a hyperactive rabbit with a knack for quick thinking and even quicker reflexes. Max Boom, an action hero bear who loved explosions but had a heart of gold. Luna Sketch, a shy but brilliant artist cat who could bring her drawings to life. Grumbles, a grumpy old turtle who secretly had encyclopedic knowledge of Toonville's history. One day, while Zippy was racing through Toonville delivering messages, he noticed the colors of the buildings starting to fade. "This isn't right," he muttered, skidding to a stop in front of the imagination engine's tower. Inside, the squad discovered the engine sputtering, its gears stuck and its usual hum replaced by a low groan. A note was taped to it: "To whoever finds this, the engine's magic is running out. You must retrieve the missing spark crystals scattered across Toonville to save it. Good luck." The first clue led them to the Laughing Lagoon, a place where slapstick comedy characters practiced their routines. The crystal was hidden in a giant custard pie, guarded by the mischievous prankster penguins. To retrieve it, the team had to participate in a pie-throwing contest. "Leave it to me," Zippy said, dodging and weaving through a barrage of pies. With Luna's quick sketch of a catapult, Max Boom launched Zippy straight at the custard pie, snatching the crystal. Next, the squad ventured to Action Alley, a district filled with action-packed stunts and intense battles. The crystal was embedded in the trophy of the annual stunt race. Max Boom entered the race, driving a souped-up rocket car drawn by Luna. "Eat my dust," he roared, blasting past competitors while Zippy used his speed to sabotage their vehicles with harmless pranks. Grumbles, acting as the pit crew, fixed their rocket car mid-race. Max won by a hair, and the squad claimed the second crystal. The last crystal was hidden in Dreamy Draws, a tranquil meadow where Toonville's artistic characters went to create. But the once vibrant meadow had turned gray, and the magical paint sprites were trapped by the villainous Doodle Witch, who wanted to drain the crystal's power for herself. Luna took the lead, sketching tools and traps to free the sprites. Zippy's agility and Max's strength kept the witch distracted, while Grumbles deciphered an ancient rhyme to weaken her magic. Luna used her ultimate drawing, a giant glowing brush, to paint the meadow back to life and reclaim the final crystal. With all three crystals, the squad returned to the imagination engine. Grumbles carefully placed each crystal into its slot. The engine roared back to life, and Toonville's colors exploded in a dazzling display of light and magic. The townsfolk cheered as their world was restored. The squad became local heroes, with statues of them placed in the town square. Zippy's plaque read, "The fastest bunny alive," Max Boom's, "The heart of action," Luna Sketches, "The artist of wonders," and Grumbles, "the reluctant but brilliant leader."